This is IECE Group Network, and you are watching.
Hello and welcome to Sourabh Mishra Notes. You are watching The C# Show. On this day, we are going to start a new series which is called All About Docker. A container is a standard unit of software that packages up code and all its dependencies, so the application can run quickly from one environment to another environment. A Docker container is a standalone lightweight package of software product that includes everything to run an application. On today's episode, I am going to talk about what is Docker, what is container, difference between virtual machines and container. A lot of things coming up next, so stay tuned.
Docker is an open source platform area to develop, ship, and run your apps. With the use of Docker, you can easily separate your applications from your hardware infrastructure so you can deliver software quickly. In software development, there is always a big challenge between developer environment and testing environment or production environment. This thing works in many machines but not in other platform or machines.
So there may be some reasons like you don't have proper configuration or keys, sometimes required dependencies, versioning problems, like in development machine you are running 3.1 and in production you are running 3.0. Sometimes some related file missing.
Docker makes simplifies your life. So in Docker, you will package complete essential things and run in the form of image in your development machine. So same image you will run in testing machine or production. So you can deploy your apps faster and reliable way. Container is a standard package unit of a software product where we can add all its essential things so application can run quickly and reliably from one computing machine environment to another environment. A Docker container image is a standalone lightweight executable package of software that include all essential things needed to run an application like code, runtime, DLLs, system tools, and configurations. Virtual machines. Virtual machines, VM, you can say it is an abstraction of physical hardware which you can turn into one server to many servers. The hypervisor is a software which allows multiple VMs to run on a single machine. Each VM includes a software like operating system, the application essential DLLs and libraries configurations. Here the problem is we have to completely set up your VMs with operating system and then related application so they become slow. Container is an abstract at the app layer that packages code and dependencies together. Multiple containers can run on the same machine and share the OS kernel with the other containers, each running as isolated process in user space. Containers take up less space than VMs. Container images are typically tens of MBs in size, can handle more applications and require fewer VMs and operating systems.
So you saw some interesting fact about Dockers and containers. In the next episode, I am going to talk about how to install Dockers in your machine. So till then, subscribe Sourabh Mishra Notes and share this video as much you can. Till then, thank you. Bye.